the need for perfection here.
This is no tolerance. Absolutely no tolerance, because we've had one issue after the other. Testing positive for here, doing that over there.
A 20-minute curfew break might not sound like a big deal at dinner, but in bond court, it's a legal landmine, because once you're out on bond, every minute matters. And this judge, he's counting every single one.
We've literally let you go over and over and over, and there's absolutely no excuse for the missed blows. How many missed blows do we have?
It says 19, Your Honor. That's 7, within that 7 are included. But Judge, I would ask, if possible, as I'm not the lead on this case, and I know Dustin has had history with the court and Mr. Jones here on this case, if you would consider holding on the consideration of this matter until he returns on Tuesday of next week. So that
I'm sorry, Ben, I can't. I have to know. You have to know that we mean business. I'm not here to toy with you and play games with you. Know what the expectation is in this court. You've been with me for as long as we've had. You're over there.
Because I have a cold, y'all. Cold weather. I apologize. So can I please speak on the breathalyzer?
No. You know what the expectation is. You have 19 missed tests. That's it. I'm sorry, Ben, I can't. You're here in his stead. You're a capable and outstanding lawyer. I have the utmost respect for you, but 19 missed tests are 19 missed tests. And I've been telling him since the absolute beginning, there's just no tolerance.
Please.
No.
But to his credit, Your Honor, we have no positive
19 missed tests. That's not a technical glitch. That's a legal disaster. Think about it. If you were the judge, would you see effort or excuses? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Is this still salvageable?
UAs. He's been here on weekly UAs, so there's no indication that he's using this to obfuscate for alcohol.
Sleep early
Test, and he is blowing outside the window, so we don't know what he's doing.
Oh my God, sir, I go to sleep at 8 o'clock every night, sir. It's just the 10 o'clock ones, and I get my 5 o'clock one first thing in the morning, Your Honor.
Then you come here and you ask.
Oh, they just told me about this last week in pre-trial over there, and they said that I had a 45-day miss.
You have 19 missed blows, dude. Covering the camera.
Please, Honor. I will do anything. I'll even go on that drug ankle monitor. I'll do anything, Your Honor. I'm really trying here. I swear to God, I will do anything you want me to do if you just please let me stay free. I swear to God, Your Honor, I'm really trying here. Please, Your Honor. It's just I don't even drink.
From the 15th of November, you have been skipping tests. You have been to this court.
I go to sleep at 10 o'clock, and I still did the ones later on when I do wake up. And they told me this just last week, Your Honor. I swear to God. I swear on everything I love.
You know.
Please give me a chance, Your Honor.
Testing schedule is, and I've given you one pass after the other. He goes with you. No.
Oh, my God.
Your Honor, may we discuss setting a new bond?
Of course.
Oh, my gosh. Why? Please, I'm trying to do everything.
Goes with you.
Oh, my gosh.
Bond is at 5,001 now because of the prior violations. I'll now set it at 10,002. I'm sorry, Ben, but he's tested positive literally over and over and over. He continues to test positive for marijuana. When I've told him to stop, he's tested positive for opiates. He's tested positive for this. Now
and there it is. Bond just doubled. That's the legal equivalent of slamming the gavel with force. The judge isn't punishing a moment. He's responding to a pattern. And patterns, that's where cases are won or lost.
Skipping blows. He has obscured the camera as well?
It's not necessarily that he's obscured the camera, but it's too dark to view. It doesn't mean that there's.
It's the same thing. If we can't see you in the camera, then you're fooling, and I'm done with the fooling. That's it. I know that Dustin's gonna be pissed, but I mean, I've got it in black and white, and Dustin knows that it's no tolerance.
Consider 75-2, Judge, for bond.
Okay, Ben. Okay. Great. But he has to know that we mean business, man. If I let him go now, I'm enabling, and I'm not going to do that. I can't. But fine, because
Yes, Judge. And those reports being referenced there were follow-up flows that showed a declining level on those, unless I'm mistaken.
They go down and then they go up again on the.
it doesn't matter. It's no tolerance. We've been to this over and over and over. At what point do you get it, Mr. Jones? This is, how many bond violations do we have here now?
I believe this will be the third.
No.
Last time, I believe, Judge. That's why it's 7502.
Because I was generous with the 2 portion, but it's not just 2, Ben. We've had probably 5 or 6 bond violations. All I know is that you are testing positive. You're in violation of your curfew again. What am I supposed to do? Just continue to let you go?
No, I understand that, Your Honor, but I don't know what I could say about the breathalyzer, sir, because I don't drink. I don't drink at all. I don't know why that the thing was doing that. I had to go back to the Smart Start place the next day, and because they have those little tubes that stick out of it.
I
But
don't.
I don't know. I mean, if you look at the test, you can see that I haven't failed any of my other breathalyzers, and even some of the breathalyzers will say like 1 minute it's failed, and the next minute it's like lower and then higher, and I don't know. But all I
Have a
know.
confirmation of alcohol, Felicia?
From the portable device records, yes, they were provided to everybody in the email.
But I'd have an opportunity to look at those, just to clarify, in regards to that, there are other instances where we do have BAC readings, Judge, and there are follow-up blows that
They're
show.
not confirmed as alcohol consumption.
And they will say, not confirmed. But we have some that are confirmed. He's blowing on his, or he's not in.
There was not a follow-up test on this positive, Judge.
No, I'm revoking your bond, Mr. Jones. It can't continue. No, goes with you.
I don't know what I can tell you, Your Honor. I'm not drinking or doing anything. Like,
I have evidence that shows me otherwise.
why can't
And it's over and it's over and it's over and it's over.
Can't we
This
put
is
me
a
on, like,
4th, 5th violation that we have, Mr. Jones.
why can't we put me on like the ankle monitor drug thing or something like that so I could prove to you that I'm not?
We had that.
I
We
never
took
had
it
that.
off.
No, I was never on that, Your Honor. I was.
Judge, if the court would consider
No.
additional conditions, Judge.
I have done everything in my power not to put him into custody. I have let him go over and over and over every time. And I'm done with it.